What is going on, guys? Lights over here at Pondering Creations Farm, coming at you with a road trip video today. We are headed ice fishing, but first we got to go take care of the animals. So let's head back to the farm. What'd you do? Bless you. Come on, let's go. We ready? Come on! And here's the reason why it's so important to check animals before you leave for the day, because I got a goat with her head stuck. Luckily that only took me a couple seconds. And I know what happens with her is she gets down on her knees and tries to nibble snow on the outside, and I just put their nose out first and their heads come right through. So she's good. I'm just whipping. Everybody's worked up back here. Hey, leave them be. Let's get them some lunch. And problem number 2, the automatic chicken coop door hasn't been opening, so I had to fix that and rig it so they can go in and out all day. And I left the door open, so it looks like they're going to be ranging, or what that means in winter is hanging out in the greenhouse for the day. Guys, this is the look I get when I start putting my boots on and gearing up to go. How can I leave this? Are you coming with me? I don't even know. Nope, no dogs, and everybody else is already there, so just me. And even though it doesn't look it, it's a little slushy today for the dogs. They definitely would have gotten wet, so definitely a good decision. They're running in slow motion. It's really funny.
41 men running.
In slow motion.
Yeah.
Have you ever caught anything on a worm in the winter? Have?
Perch. I decided to go for worm because of Homestead. And I was hoping to mix things up a little bit. Who doesn't like a juicy worm? Oh, yeah, the boys. We're hiring a new crew to carry our bait next time.
I know, the butchers take horrible.
It's really cool.
Make a YouTube video.
Okay.
Yeah. I got a video of Nick catching a fish.
Earlier he caught one?
Yeah.
Nice, send it to me, I'll use it.
What did you do with the pike? I'm recording, Nick. Here he goes again.
What pound test do you have? 15 pound? Oh, you got it. Depends how big it is. Jesus Christ, this is big.
Holy cow.
That was such a nice bite. Dude, look at how bad it is.
Baddest pickerel I've ever seen.
That's a good pickerel. That thing's fat. Dude, that's a monster pickerel.
I really thought it was going to be a trout.
What happened? Oh, there's the circle hook. Dude, it's so fat. It weighs like 1.5 pounds.
They're boiling. Oh my god. Grease fire.
Yeah, we better pick this thing right off.
Good video, Mom.
Great video. Especially if Matt burns as well.
Yes.
Why not cook at home? Wow. Who wants a half frozen, half burnt hot dog?
Thank God they're not frozen.
It's gonna get frozen in though once it gets cold. Whose is it?
Hirsch's. Look, that's how much water is in. The hole is right here.
How deep is the ice?
Like 8 inches.
Really?
Yeah.
Crazy.
It's like this because there's so much weight pushing down on it.
All the snow is starting to melt.
Oh my lord.
We turned it. It's the trap itself. It's got a defect.
It's got a fish on it. In all the excitement with ice fishing, I almost forgot about today's t-shirt giveaway. So be sure to like this video and leave me a comment down below. I don't really care what it is. Just make sure you leave a comment and make sure you go over to Instagram and Facebook and like us over there. The one fish. It's an all-important fish.
Pike on.
Oh, he's coming back my way now. He's cruising.
A little slow fishing, so I figured I'd throw in this pike video from the other day.
Oh! Nice. Hey, buddy. That's a nice fish.
Wow.
Yeah, the hook right there.
Yep. Easy, 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 easy.
Holy cow.
That's the leader. Oh no, it's the hook.
Hey, that's a good start to the day.
Wow, that's a beautiful pike.
Come here, buddy.
Did you get the pike hook?
Yep. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna hug him. I love him so much.
Where's the, does anyone have a
Get
tape
shot of
measure?
that guy.
I have
That's a nice
scale.
fish. You like it? Get a picture of him?
Thanks for watching today, and good luck in our t-shirt giveaway. Winner will be announced on Friday and new video out next Sunday. Don't forget, you have to like this video, comment down below, and either go over to Instagram or Facebook and like us over there. You need to be able to private message me your size and address. Good luck, everyone.